Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm just doing a quick painting in my art journal of a painting I want to do on a canvas. I do this a lot where I will sit and sketch out and paint in my art journal so I can work out kinks before I go to my canvas. And so what I'm doing is I'm starting with a stencil that I made, and I decided to go with pink because the cat, I want it to be a little bit menacing. So I did this pink. I love the way the stencil came out, but not when I put the cat on top of it. I think it needs a mixed media background. So that's all I'm doing here, is putting some pink paint down. And I like the way that some of the chalk came off. I had some like purplish chalk on my brush, and I really like the way it came out with the pink. I'm gonna play with that later and do more of that because I dig that. Gives it a different look. You'll see it when it goes on the bottom. But I thought I would come on and just explain kind of what I'm doing and then put some music to it. It's not a very long video. Like I said, I'd like some suggestions if you have them. I'd love to know if there's anything you guys think I should add or do, or even going on to the mixed media background that I should, what color background should I do? I don't know. Should I paint his eyes? Should I do the eyes like a reddish pink? Should I do them my normal green? Any suggestions? I want to do the feet, which I did draw the feet in, but I didn't paint them because I couldn't decide whether I wanted claw feet, which I think I do. But then he kind of looks like a bat. I don't know. I can't quite decide. But that's why I want to work out some kinks. So you can see like on the bottom part of the stencil where it starts going into the pink and purple, that's going to be my new vibe lately. That's what I'm going to start doing is this. I really like the way that came out with the acrylic paint. So I'll be doing that again. See it? See how pretty? But it just didn't, the background just didn't go with the cat. And like I said, I'm going to have to do some mixed media on a canvas. So all I did was freehand this cat on I put a branch on the bottom of what he's sitting. I was thinking about, do I want a branch or do I want a fence? Do I want a rock? I don't know. Do I do the background blue, like a sky as he's sitting there? Do I make it mixed media? I don't know. I can't decide. So yeah, any comments, any ideas, please put below because I really do appreciate it. I even, appreciate some constructive criticism, not mad at it. Just be kind. That's all. That's all I ask. But again, this is just a step one of what I do before I paint usually. And I think I've shown you guys a couple of these I've done. I'm going to finish up my girl sitting on the picnic table or fence or whatever I did her looking into the ocean. That I put on a canvas. I think you guys, if you remember me doing the painting about her. And I got a couple more. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video and enjoy, watching it with a little bit of music. It's not a very long video. If you would like to be a member, join my membership on YouTube. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. It helps me get more supplies, medications that I need, all the things that are very helpful to me. And yeah, that's down below, as well as to follow me everywhere on social media. I love it. I love when you guys follow me and become my friends, and I can see what you guys do and your lives, as well as you guys can see mine. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I look forward to seeing what you guys think of this and any opinions that you have. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Get out and enjoy that sun. And please still stay safe. Looks like the coronavirus might be coming back in a second wave. I don't know. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.